Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shraddha. So last video you have seen how to work with the checkboxes. So I have already created one file, checkbox.spec.js, and I have already showed you how to work with the single checkbox. Suppose if you have a single checkbox like I have selected like Tuesday. So how we can work with that? In this series, I will talk about the multiple checkboxes. So let's get started. First, I will take this URL to navigate on the application. So let me open Google Chrome and here I will paste that URL and enter. So you can see this is the application, and here you can see days: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. So I have already written for the Tuesday, just a single checkbox for the Tuesday, and here I work with the Wednesday. So I have already XPath of Tuesday and Wednesday. Let me open it. Tuesday and Wednesday. Now I'm going to select the Saturday. So I have already XPath for Tuesday and Wednesday. Now going to achieve the XPath of Saturday or CSS select. We will use CSS selector. Let's see. So right click and click on inspect, and let me again do it. Inspect, and I'm able to see class ID and type value Saturday, class form hyphen check hyphen input, ID is Saturday, type is checkbox, value is Saturday. Now Control F and search boxes appear. Now I'm going to write the XPath input. So this time I'm going to take the ID first, inspect, and let me ID is Saturday, and this is an input. So ID is equal to Saturday and space, and type is type is equal to check box. And now, so we can see here 1 of 1. It's a unique locator of this checkbox. So copy and paste it. I have already written the code. So let me explain you how to achieve the multiple checkboxes. So here I have already achieved the Tuesday. If you haven't watched my last video, please go ahead and watch it. This is a continuation of the last video. So there I had already explained the single checkbox and how to achieve the locator and how to write the XPath for that this locator. And because we have already achieved the Tuesday checkbox and Wednesday, only I have selected the Saturday. So multiple checkboxes is we can select multiple checkbox at the same time. So if I want to select the Sunday, I should able to select the Sunday, or Monday or Sunday, or all the checkboxes I'm able to select at a time. But if we will talk about the radio button, you can see here I can select only one radio button at a time. I'm not able to select both, like male and female at the same time. But checkboxes I can select each checkboxes at the same time. So now I have locator of the Tuesday, I have locator of the Wednesday, and right now I have a locator of the Saturday. So this is the code, to achieve the multiple checkboxes. So first here const and provide the variable name. So I am just providing the variable name here, checkbox locators, because I'm just checking all the checkboxes. So, and after that, one by one, like Tuesday, I will achieve the locator of the Tuesday, Wednesday, not Thursday, and Saturday. So these locators I have already written here. This is for the Tuesday. You can see here ID Tuesday and type checkbox. And the second one I have already checked for the Wednesday. So I have already written the locator of the Wednesday. Input ID Wednesday and type is checkbox. And this is for the Saturday, which I have already explained you few minutes back, like how to write the XPath of the Saturday, because this is the input and class is this, ID is this, like Saturday, type is checkbox, value Saturday. So I have go with the ID. So ID is equal to Saturday and type, what type is this? Checkbox, and you can see here 1 of 1. So that element I have already written here. And whenever we will write this locator or element here, because we are writing here one by one, like 3 checkboxes I have already checked, so always write the comma. This, suppose I have written this locator and I will go for the next locator, like this one. So for that we need to separate with the comma, like this is end up here, and now I'm going to, this is the end up here, and next one I'm going to write. And suppose I'm just this, so it will start to giving some red squiggly line. So we need to fix it here, and then you can see it's gone. So whenever we will put here, like write the locator one by one, we need to separate with the comma. And now here I open the bracket. So we need to close this bracket because I have already selected 3 checkboxes: Tuesday, Wednesday and Saturday. And after that I will write here the code, line number 22. To one by one checkboxes is check. It should be check. For that we need to write here the loop, like how we can write for const locator. This is the variable name, means these all are locator stored in this variable. Okay, so one by one this locator or this Saturday, Wednesday, Tuesday, these locators are stored in this variable. So I need to specify here that all these locator, whatever the store in this variable, should be checked one by one. For that we need to write the code. So one by one means to we use the loop here, like one by one. So we have already specified here which checkbox we need to check. Based on that we need to write here the code. So const locator, this is the, you can give any name, I'm just giving the locator. You can give A, B, C, X, Y, Z. It's up to you. And this variable, all the locator will one by one go in this locator, and page dot locator, whatever the locator, one by one it will show dot check method. It should be check. Means suppose I'm just right now doing uncheck. So suppose this variable, all the locator are stored in this variable, and it will pass it to this locator one by one, and this locator, you're going page dot locator, and we are passing this variable here, should be dot check. Check method we will use. If we will not use the check method, it will not check here. It will not show the check here. So we need to use the check method. Once it will check, then we will use the verify here, like use the assertion here for this checkbox locator, which is, the variable name, const locator of checkbox locator. Expect method is used for the assertion, like we are using here the hard assertion. So page dot locator, and this is the await keyword, wait for the promise, and this locator is checked dot to be trusty. I mean, it should be true. Is check, it should be true. So let me execute this program and see the output. So first we need to save it. Control S shortcut. I have already explained. Here you can click and it will show the one window pop up. Save, cancel, don't save. You can select the save, or you can go the file and click on the save. So I have already used the shortcut Control S. Now I'm going, okay, it's already open the, you can see this is the terminal. Here I will provide the look command, or if you want you can use this new terminal. So okay, it's the same thing. npx Playwright and test, and you can check here what is your file name, checkbox.spec.js. So we need to write checkbox.spec.js, and I want to see the UI, like whenever this command will execute, it will open the application. For that, what we need to do, we have to provide the headed mode, because Playwright is always in headless mode. Whenever we are writing this command in the terminal, it will only show the report and how many tests are passed and failed it will show, and it will execute in all the browser if we are not specify here the specific browser. Like, so I have already explained in my previous video. If you haven't watched those things, please go ahead and watch it. It will definitely helpful for you. And so now I'm going to open the application to see how many checkboxes are going to check. So space hyphen headed mode. So this is the command, space hyphen headed, and now enter, and it will take couple of seconds to execute. Okay, running 3 tests using 3 workers, because I did not specify here the browser specifically. Let me open this one. It's Tuesday showing, and okay, it was showing the Wednesday and Saturday. Now it's opening in the another browser, and okay, it's closed. So for that we need to use the, okay, it's failed, generate the report. Firefox it's failed, Chromium and WebKit it passed. Okay, let me close all the reports. Okay, wait for the, let me check it. Okay, we need to wait for this. Control C and provide the wait here. Control V, and this time I'm going to save on. You can see save, don't save and cancel. I'm going to save it, and it will close the file. Again we need to open the file, so click it here, and I'm going to provide the, it's showing that whenever you are going to change anything in the code, remember that always make sure that your file is safe, otherwise that changes will not reflect whenever you will execute, or you will give the command and execute the file. It will always take the old one code. Control C. It is not going to take the new changes. It always go with the old changes. Control V, and now headed. So it will take couple of seconds for execution, and we can see running 3 tests and using 3 workers. And now it's open the WebKit first, and we can see, if you want to specify, you can see a WebKit Tuesday is checked, and it's checked the Wednesday and Saturday, which is correct because I put it here the wait. That's why it's taking time for now. Okay, and we can see here, okay, this time WebKit is also failed because of the longer wait. Okay, test time out of 3000 millisecond exceeded. Okay, exceeded. Okay, so I'm just going to give only the 500 millisecond, not 1000, and now going to Control S and provide the same. Control C. Make sure whenever you will write the code, it's good that you are able to write the code, but one of the most important thing is how to debug your code and how to fix it. That's most important thing, because writing the code is an easy way, but fixing the code is little challenging. So you need to learn every time whatever the error you are getting. So if you're getting, related to the code or timeout or element is not found, so you have to make sure and debug every time that why you are getting this error. So that's the most important thing to fix your scripts, fail scripts. You can see it's working, and now it's working in the it is taking time, but you can see here 3 passed this time. It's passed in the Chromium, WebKit and Firefox. Control C. So I'm just and enter. Let me, is it open the, okay, now I'm getting the port error. I have already explained in my previous video how to fix the port error. It's very simple. You have to provide this command npx playwright show -report and space -- port and provide the different port number. I'm just providing the 3000. Enter, and it will open the report. Now just generate the report, and you can see it's passed in all the browser. You can see here Firefox, WebKit and Chromium. If you want to see the test steps, you can double click and you can check each and every test steps here. Go. You can see here, if you want to expand any of one, you can go ahead and expand this. Click this arrow and it will expand the, and you can see here the test steps. So in this series you learn how to achieve the multiple text boxes at the same time. And if you like my video, please subscribe, share and like, and hit the notification bell so you will get the new latest video. And please subscribe my channel. If you subscribe my channel, I will take the winner name and I will announce on my channel. So for that, you have to keep practice. If you have any question or queries, please ask me or write in the comment section. Definitely I will respond to you. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching my video.